Hello everyone, how you all doing? You're all welcome to Gillette Fitness and I hope you guys are staying healthy. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys tips for a healthy Ramadan. Yeah, I know the video is coming a little bit late, but I believe it's still not too late to start practicing a healthy Ramadan because you might be doing it wrong all this while. So why not make the few days remaining a healthy one? So without wasting much of your time, I'll just go straight to it, and I hope you enjoy and learn.